The Human Rights Act 1998 (HRA) is a UK law that incorporates the European Convention on Human Rights (ECHR) into UK law. It protects everyone in the UK, including foreign nationals, from having their human rights violated by public authorities. The Act makes it unlawful for public authorities to act in a way that is incompatible with the Convention rights. Here's a more detailed explanation. Key features of the Human Rights Act 1998. Incorporates ECHR. The HRA brings the provisions of the ECHR into UK law, meaning that the human rights enshrined in the Convention are enforceable in UK courts. Protects everyone. The Act protects everyone in the UK, regardless of their nationality or status, including those who are not British citizens. Enforceable rights. The HRA makes it unlawful for public authorities to act in a way that is incompatible with the Convention rights. This means that individuals can sue public authorities for violating their human right. Judicial review. The Act requires courts to consider the human rights implications of the decisions and to interpret laws in a way that is compatible with Convention rights, as far as possible. Declaration of incompatibility. If a court cannot interpret a law in a way that is compatible with Convention rights, it can issue a declaration of incompatibility. This does not affect the validity of the law but signals that it may need to be amended. Parliamentary sovereignty. The HRA respects the principle of parliamentary sovereignty by ensuring that courts cannot strike down acts of Parliament, only issue declarations of incompatibility. Examples of Convention rights. The right to life. The right to respect for private and family life. The right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. The right to freedom of expression. The right to a fair trial. The right to liberty and security of person. Who is affected by the Human Rights Act? Public authorities. The HRA places legal duties on public authorities, including the government, police, local councils, and healthcare providers, to respect and protect human rights. Individuals. Individuals in the UK, including foreign nationals, can use the Act to challenge actions of public authorities that violate their human rights. Key articles of the ECHR, as incorporated by the HRA. Article 2, Right to Life. Article 3, Prohibition of Torture. Article 4, Prohibition of Slavery and Forced Labor. Article 5, Right to Liberty and Security. Article 6, Right to a fair trial. Article 8, Right to respect for private and family life. Article 9, Freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. Article 10, Freedom of expression. Article 11, Freedom of peaceful assembly and association.